In today's digital age, where opportunities abound and dreams can be turned into reality with determination and strategic planning, becoming a millionaire online entrepreneur is no longer an elusive goal. With the right mindset, skills, and guidance, anyone can embark on this transformative journey towards financial freedom. In this article, we will unveil the secret formula that will empower you to become a millionaire online entrepreneur within just 6 months. Identifying your passion and purpose. To begin your path towards success as an online entrepreneur, it is crucial to identify your passion and purpose. What drives you? What excites you? By aligning your business idea with something you genuinely care about, not only will you find fulfillment but also sustain motivation throughout your entrepreneurial journey. Developing a winning mindset. A winning mindset lays the foundation for achieving great feats. Embrace positivity and believe in yourself. Cultivate resilience to overcome obstacles along the way. Understand that failure is merely a stepping stone towards success. Learn from it rather than being discouraged by it. Setting clear goals. Setting clear goals provides direction and helps measure progress accurately on your path to becoming a millionaire online entrepreneur within 6 months or less. Begin by defining specific short-term, weekly, monthly objectives that contribute to long-term milestones such as revenue targets or customer acquisition goals. Acquiring essential skills. To thrive as an online entrepreneur, acquiring essential skills becomes paramount for success in today's competitive landscape. Digital marketing expertise. Mastering various digital marketing techniques like SEO, search engine optimization, social media marketing, content creation, management ensures effective promotion of your products, services. Sales funnel creation. Understanding how sales funnels work enables efficient lead generation and conversion optimization. Financial management skills. Implementing sound financial practices such as budgeting, cash flow management, and investment strategies will help you maximize profits. Leveraging e-commerce platforms. E-commerce platforms offer a vast marketplace to showcase your products, services. Utilize platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Shopify to reach a broader audience and increase sales potential significantly. Building an engaged audience. Developing a loyal customer base is crucial for long-term success as an online entrepreneur. Focus on creating valuable content through blog posts, videos, podcasts that resonate with your target audience's needs and interests. Engage with them through social media channels and email marketing campaigns to build trust and foster lasting relationships. Automating business processes. To scale your business rapidly while maintaining efficiency, embrace automation tools that streamline repetitive tasks such as inventory management, order fulfillment, customer support systems, freeing up time for strategic decision-making and growth-oriented activities. Networking and collaboration. Networking within your industry can open doors to valuable partnerships or mentorship opportunities that accelerate your journey towards becoming a millionaire online entrepreneur in just 6 months. Attend conferences or join relevant communities where you can connect with like-minded individuals who share similar goals. Conclusion. Becoming a millionaire online entrepreneur requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning in today's digital landscape. By following the secret formula outlined above, identifying passion, purpose, developing a winning mindset, setting clear goals, acquiring essential skills, leveraging e-commerce platforms, building an engaged audience, automating business processes, networking and collaboration, you are well equipped to embark on this transformative journey towards financial freedom. Remember, it is not enough to dream of success but rather take inspired action consistently while adapting strategies along the way based on market trends. So go ahead. Embrace this opportunity wholeheartedly and unleash the hidden potential within you. Become the next millionaire online entrepreneur in just 6 months.